Learning money for kids. Today we will learn about money. Recognizing money. $5, $10, $20, $50. Ria has $50. Mom gives $10 more. Let's add. $50 plus $10 equals $60. Now Ria has $60. Ria has $20. Layla has $5. $20 plus $5 equals $25. Now they have $25. Ball is $5. Car is $10. $5 plus $10 equals $15. Total is $15. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.